35골라기라. 대 로다 상무 텐디시. 근데 계획이 롭도다. 아데 파마 상마 테스트 레시에 아니 다른 가서 지름디 테스트 직스킹이 레요래. 아니야 다 이해가 차대 이해가 되면 이만가 샤워 남시 서울에 대인지 담만에 뱀이 유득수디 아니 진짜 개원에 레군소야 고소래. 지나 대인지 담만에 다 가족이 지름디 쇼가스디 게드 차가는 고소 온 그래. 남기수도 고 차라 다 댄스디 게 차가는 고소 온 그래. 아니 상이 상마스디 게 차가는 고소 그래. 쉐이 지난 때 응아스 장로치 이니고드는 니메스로라. 제대로 받대 응아스 장로치 쉐이 안다나 아주 topic class A will do cubes and cube roots. Now the S check then S tinda. Cubes and cube roots. First we'll introduce cubes and then we'll do cube root. Okay. Cubes. The topic is here. Cubes and cube topic din alo na ka ta de tamo did manado dos ring de loi inza cubes topic din alo na de introduction to cubes che ani given number the perfect cube de remedy ta da and then the method chi ma share mar prime factor the method de che okay perfect square de perfect cube de remedy sa sense of perfect cube na perfect cube so da ka de simbe am so do la pa prime factor the la multiplication into prime factors product of prime factor into the body, multiplication and division machine to make given number perfect cube by multiplying smallest number and to make given number of perfect cube by dividing the smallest number by the smallest number. This is and next to find cube root. The cube root what is it? Cube root la prime factor method. Angi chembu din lesson cube prime factor kale ka na I shortcutting it off. Shortcut method la 1 digit and 10 digit unit digit 10 digit to zangi. Katang square root sedanda unit digit 10 digit lapsa or did which ni cube root la unit digit 10 digit shortcut method to slap in da. Okay, so topic there. So the cubes and cube root din la cube of x la chesnangi of x. Understand na? That was exponential. We had learned exponential a few weeks before. The exponential now the cube of x length bakala wala x raised to power 3 lower. And x raised to power 3 the meaning kare. X multiplied by x multiplied by x. Or the end of the x da. X multiplied by x multiplied by x. So if I ask the cube of 10 lana means 10 raised to power 3. And this means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Square of 10 is 10 multiplied by 10. Number karin darang multiply chukos. A cube of 10 is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Angit ranja temusum multiply chukos. Okay. That was the idea cube in lesson. The cube of 10 was enough. Cube of 10 means 1000. So cube root of 10 cube root of 1000. 1000 dela ang chipuching temusum kari multiply chevre. So cube root of 1000 is 10. The cube root of 1000 la chinachi kari to radical sign Allah 10. Didn't the color cube root or the power 3 these are 3 the order of circular. The radical rate square root lang atu sti de dos ne adele manga to sma de de khajin tir na cube root na chare root of 1000 dana tanda kare na 1000 raised to power 1 upon 3 de the denominator 3 is de denominator 3 de power okay denominator na fraction na denominator chung kare 2 2 in the bar 2 the thing mar 2 le manga sama de thing cube root ba jina ha to tunani ga to da chik ka to this thing to stress chik word na lit cube root Okay. Chida cube na karana product or number multiplied by number itself multiplied by the number itself. Chida number kari ne tagarang kone temasum multiply chigidala product la cube of a number. Chida okay cube of 10. For example cube of 5 na 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 product 125 and 125 is cube of 5 letters. The 125 angi chimudi angi chibujen kari multiply chen level na cube root of 125 is 5 angi chibuja nga juna nga den chik chang nga yang nga chik nga chikuna nga den som yurguduna cube of 5 level da angi nga da kare cube root kari cube root product the cube root level da jurdo the cube root la ani angi kari yurgude didi cube root of product level. Okay, 당연 cube 나오는 치면은 if you do first the cube properties the cube of first 9 natural number properties right. Okay, first 9 cube 1 cube 2 cube 3 cube 4 cube 5 cube 6 cube 7 cube 8 cube and 9 cube organ space corresponds. These are the color 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And 3 cube means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 4 cube means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. I can in that time also multiplication or 5 cube means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 6 cube means 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 7 cube means 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. And cube 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. And 9 cube 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Or chapter the lelo yung first 9 cube the perfect cube the ngato leto ni award. And then square the first 9 the perfect square the ngato leto ni award. And number kari square de this number. So cube of 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Cube of 2 is 6. Rare. Alright, okay, so we get 8. Cube of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by cube of 3 is 27. And cube of 4, 64. Cube of 5, 125. And cube of 6, 216. And cube of 7, 343. And cube of 8, 512. And cube of 9, 729. 11, 12, 13, this is and the first 9 natural number, perfect cube, okay. That's the other. 이 unit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 들어가도 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. somewhere there. Unit is perfect cube. Okay. First step. 이 way the card. Odd number then. 1 is odd. Cube is odd. 3 is cube. Cube 3 is odd. Its cube is odd. 27 is the 5 odd. Its cube is odd. Okay, 7 odd number and its cube is odd. 9 odd number, its cube is odd. Is odd. Okay, that means odd number cube then answer odd. A cube of even is of even is even. Or chada cube does answer chada right. Yadan cube does answer yadan right race. Do those. That the unity condition is that unity angi unity 1 in the cube does not continue unity wonders. 11 cube does not unity wonders. 21 cube does not the cube the unity wonders. 31 cube does not the cube the answer 3 unity wonders. 2 equation 2 cube 8 12 cubes on unity 8 dollars or 22 unity de 8 dollars 32 unity de 8 dollars 3 cube the 27 unity 7 da or 13 cube does unity 7 dollars 23 cube does unity 7 dollars lower the 4 dollars 14 unity 4 dollars 24 unity 4 dollars 34 unity 4 dollars 94 unity de 4 dollars cube does 94 cube okay. The perfect cube lang kanang yung square ni tayo mo square na perfect square redo remit sa dola first step dola unit one's place check if the unit digit of the number is of 2 3 7 and 8 in bana number the perfect square maris kadu lai do the unit is 1 5 4 6 in bana 6 or 9 sorry 9 in bana the perfect square yina mena koshima le the perfect square redo remedy check check dola mazu ka je perfect os me the ma sa jang the no cube dola this is your match the first 9 unit is kina there is unit is 9 ta ta there's 1 2 3 4 there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to let's go je guje 든 바니 거 뒤에 요 말. Okay. 당연히 어서 10 났다. Now that numbers end with 10. Numbers end with 10 되나? 10 cube 나와도. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 which is equal to 1000. Okay. 100 cube 된다. 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Oh, 1000 keep them. You get 6, 2, 3, 1000 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1, 6, 2, 3. Oh, this left. That I have. Or given number the perfect cube. Redo remindo. Redo lady. Kalekar. Remindo like lelar. Remindo tower dollar. Think about this. Over here, Mother Drogic. I have 1. There's road. 3. They are near. There's road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's so many number. Mother's road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. Correct. Do I do it? 3, 6, 9. Correct multiples. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. 0 need to 3 multiplies 6. There's some 3 3s are 3. 9. So you count number if the number ends with 0 ina. If the number ends with 0, 0 and 0, you count the number of zeros. Or count number of zeros in the end. Zero zeros number ta. Kima zero is lago marta. Number juk zero and zero tanga gaps. Right. If okay, that target zero number target was zero number ends zero number zero the 3 multiples 몇 번이나 som 2 9 중니 조영아 좁게 되는 매나 아니 given number the perfect cube remains. perfect cube remains like teacher. 또 이게 0 당하게 하려고 말다. 넘버 0 n 지금도 나오거든. 페니셔싱 이게 도스나 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 도스나. 오케이. 등에 뜻을 태우셔야 0 도스나. 0 당하려고 잡아. 넘버 the ends with 0 0 대도 어디 당하게 하려다. 대 두는 0 가지고 겨야 말다. 내가 가지고 0 니도. Over here we have two number zeros. Then 2 the 3 multiples mara. Therefore this number is not a perfect cube. How's that? 0 n chit ba kota lela perfect cube redo remit ba the given number the perfect cube redo remit number sheba ina if the number does not end with 0 ina ani perfect cube redo remit box still there de hina mena thodi check chega tola mazu kharche ore multiplication the prime factorization method to da I can sort of keep the idea of later. Find it in the cases. Cube of 2.1 $10. 2.1 multiplied by 2.1 multiplied by 2.1. I'm multiplying a single the shake to step. That do it good. evaluate. Or 2.1 raised to power 3. This test is. These are the which are 2.1 multiplied by 2.1 multiplied by 2.1. The agina power, the igina power. Da. Evaluate cube of 2.1. Which can later. So I'm doing to make a multi single concept lesson due. Or cube carine angitara, Temosu multiply chocolates. This and due. Okay. Tell say the correct perfect cube determines and we. Is 98 a perfect cube? I stopping you to check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. And then I'm a prime factors in method or prime factors in the class 5 6 or 7 page out and 8 letting out exponent page out just in the money. Kids the prime factors in the push pamajal majaj push kesna or put the combat case charter. Prime factors the money. A lot of us can the junk out. Just the money, the colors are perfectly equal water. 98 prime factors. And 98 prime factors have unit digit even cotton 2 towards 2 4 8 chick the case 2 9 or the 49 left. There must be some down. Okay, 49 la do this number 2 dot or 3 dot you add the digit. Google a sheet on the joksum ra a josum 3 kazuk josum 3 4 12. 3 5 15 just mean so number is not divided by 3. 5 we do the bar or you look at one's place or unit digit. If the unit digit is of 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. Another unit digit 5 and 0 given number is not divisible by 5. That is 5 jara career. Prime next prime number or 7. That's 7 to the 7 to the 7 7 is 49. Not 7 1 7. So 98 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. The square and square root now square prime factors in square root that's not to change now. Square and square root perfect square root remember very we need to go. Perfect cube root remember very sum tick. That there's 7 sum in the there 2 chimunda 2 sum in the therefore 98 is not a perfect cube. 93 is not a perfect cube. That's later. Right. Take guessing it, Dustina. That's much to that. Okay, find the cube of 1, 3, 3, 1. Is 1, 3, 3, 1 a perfect cube? Okay, looks to 1, 3, 3, 1 a perfect cube. 1, 3, 3, 1 a perfect cube. Perfect cube, yina, mena, didn't okay. That is called prime factors in last digit 1 order and number is not divisible by 2. 3 divided you add 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8 and 8 is not multiple of 3. Therefore 1 3 3 1 is not divisible by 3. Okay, that unit digit 5 or 0 and sigma number is not divisible by 5. 7 divided you can call technique janga dole. Koshiki dwarch and Lela 1 3 3 1 last 7 dwarch 7 1 is 7 right we get 6 3 7 8 is 56 yeah 6 3 is 7 plus 6 6 7 8 is 56 7 9 is 63 1 let's 7 0 0 1 left remaining halda number and number is not divisible by 7. The 7 to 2, that's next prime number. Prime number, smallest prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Our next number 11 to 2. And 11 to 2 tala. Eleven to okay 1, 3, 3, 1. Dinima dundi, mania dundi. Dimachina first number the odd even, odd, even. This one. Dimatona tangi. Odd, even, odd in placement. Tango the odd, then you the even, somebody odd, digit ba 방지 도 당고 되시야 니워 되시야 숨바 되시야 시워 되시다 진짜 당고다 숨번이디 어틴도 많이 어티 니워디 even number and show even number the even then you add this odd numbers you get 4 you add this odd numbers you get 4 or even digit odd sum of even digit and sum of odd digit to small them and then find difference between these two and difference is 0 if the difference is 0 or multiple of 11 you mean and given number is divisible by 11 for example this na 615 this na odd even also 616 odd you add odd you get 12 and then it's even 1 11 is multiple of 11 616 is divided by 11 a difference the yamana 11 ki tapang korda 11 22 33 44 yamana 0 le koresa duzu inna a given number the 11 to 2 res also shemba 11 to 2 mares that other difference kare 0 in the so this number 1331 is divided by 11 the 11 to 2 digit combine this 11 1 is 11 11 1 is 11 2 left 23 11 2 is 22 1 left 11 1 yageta 1 2 1 odd even odd 2 minus 2 even there are 2 which is yageta to 11 12 na 11 1 is 11 1 left 11 1 11 1 so 1 3 3 1 is equal to 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11 to start okay then you factor chipo sum do 11 sum da also no factors are left over factor sum do factor yeah then la ma sa 1 3 3 1 is a perfect cube perfect cube 됩니다. 다나. 계속 try다. try다. is 1728 a perfect cube. by prime factor. perfect cube redo 되면 직사다. Okay. That is something you do in the Hindu. Okay, those machine. His prime factor column sign it. Smart go. Tito Dimde 1728. So the first number carried to our chamber is the prime number. First prime number. In the teachers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This is what next 13. Okay, next 17 to 2 rata. Okay. Kadu check chinning tambo the prime number 2 3 5 7 11 dot. Okay, number this is 2 with a given number is a cube of prime number. Prime number cube tang yodre. But ling mar. Okay, the 1728 unity check 8 in the 8 even number. Even number is a given number 2 is. 2 2 tangida. 2 de you combine this 2 8 16 right. 15 is to 10 you write over here. So this becomes 12. 2 6 12 right. 2 4 8. And even the so divide by 2. 2 4 8 2 3 6 2 4. And even number you divide by 2. 2 2 4 2 1 2 2 6 12. And even number 2. That they have that 2 are 16. 2 they you take 2 2 1 2. The 2 you want to watch it or 2 nears 2 0 0. The one that she needs to carry over here. So this becomes 16 to 8 16. And get 2 do that 2 5 10 4. And get 2 do that 2 27. And get 30 27 odd number. Odd number in the 2 do with the second number. 7 plus 2 9. 9 is multiple of 3. In the you do have 3. 3 9 so 27 3 3 and 3 1 this order. Okay, the 1728 a perfect cube rather you write all the prime factors. 278 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Because of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 6. And how many 3 does there? 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, and 3. Perfect square is the figure perfect cube into the figure sum. Oh, they two sum. They two sum. And you delete two sum. They two sums. And you delete three sum. Okay. Figure some figure product prime figure some figure sum. Isn't the figure prime number? Malati 1728 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Okay. Ko lelo ka prime factor is perfect square it's not junction. Ko lelo perfect square effect you need to the perfect cube to check the perfect cube some something start. Okay. The given number the perfect cube na perfect cube not out. And then you ding it do not ring perfect square so that it lame. Perfect square mena perfect square dan lame. Kai na me do not mother looking in it to see can be checked here. You that to dealing into loss na ko lela cha. Then perfect square so much the and this perfect cube to do na. Okay. 안기 찍을 기로. 봐. 오케이. 됐나? perfect square 랑이 쪽 마우티. pen 마우티 그라. perfect cube 랑이 뭐부터 나부팅다. inside the two. Okay, find the least number to be multiplied to make it a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square or to become a perfect square so send to the unity 2 is a perfect square mares. Perfect square means perfect square seola smallest number kari multiply chores. The smallest number kari multiply chores seola yegi send to the stisang prime factor number. Okay. 2 2 3 6 1 6 or 2 1 1 2 8 16. Okay. 2 9 3 3 and 3 1 to sasa. Okay, 72 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Tama perfect square is the picture. Perfect square in Batella, Fairy Chipuni Comanchua, Kursuga, Fairy Chipuni Kursa, or the 2 nido. The 3 nido. Tangarasa. Oh, 1 factor 2 chiclasa. Tama fading cha seotola, my cousin Samas, 2 chick de doa, engaging Samasa. Oh, the smallest number. Yeah? 2 perfect square. Square. Now find the square product to manipulate. Oh, that product 2 smallest number 2 multiply 2 multiply chena ang sauce right. ang saw the cube root says. Now to the multiply it in two solar. Multiply second mark is square and this square root of 72. How multiply the smallest number 2. On yet amodella squared you 72 factors on marty. Get the 2 tail multiply ang smallest number 2 damage. The image you go amar. Take you to Hajure, module check, inside. Faded squares and faded winning reading go. 2 chickens are. 3 need in a 3 chicken or 2 they need or 2 need in it. You take 1 2 out. Now you find the product, we get 6 12. You get to see it. Perfect squares. Squares and this. The little door. Find the smallest number to be multiplied to 72 to make it a perfect cube or to get a perfect square. First, you find the prime factor of the 72. Same about prime factor set. Or factor winning groups is not factor winning so the 1 to factor 2 is left over. Copy Cocha or 2 chick the door or 2 sham robot about codo, ni chawla. Robot body, day to day. And this is the smallest number to be multiplied. The question not only or product or new number to multiplication and the sour sugar. Ang Saudi a square cell. Square cell you the manipulate tumor to stay. And first the number prime factors they take you somewhat dirty. A digela and number curriment or through the delay manipulation, pajale manipulation. Or then effect you ni rare marty. You find the product. And this is square root of the new number. Then the number on Jackini, perfect cubes to the center. Or find the least number to be multiplied to 72 to make it a perfect square sabla, you make it a perfect cube. Find the cube root this yashin, find the cube root shash to the link around the topic. Or division to make it a perfect cube. Okay, BHS. Perfect cubes. That method you which can tell correct. They draw things window. Okay, 72 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Perfect cube, perfect cube, the effect is equal to some chillers, equal some dear. Or take 2 some door. Take the house door. 3 needle. 3 some child and 3 got some. 3 needle, tang 3 chicks some. Oh, you're right. 3 is the least number. To be multiplied to this to get perfect cube. Example do perfect cubes na. Ta multiply or divide na. Oh, multiply or divide to that. Divide 72 to make it a perfect square, only a perfect square. To get a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square. Perfect square so long as small as the shoulders. Small as the dual shoulders. Divide square the square is 72. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Perfect square level. Affect you need to saw need this. Oh, 2 the last. Oh, 2 the new go to what new that perfect square. But very cheap will have your card. Copy some copy na. A 2 ni 3 multiply Ladba, dig chicken, dig a table in beach course. That divide copy some. I do 2 GP. 2 we must, or we should divide. 72 to get a perfect square. To find the square root of the square jumping at find the square root of new number to divide na nga I think new number le find the square root of quotient le find the square root of resulting number le divide na square de yo sa ka multiplication 72 the square yo factor chi was 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3 ka divide da number 2 divide da 2 de divide del divide 2 chi cut ra and that divide chi chu ba 72 divided by 2 is equal to mate ka ta factor chi ni da ni ni chi mate de chi ni da ni is equal to 6 square chen ba 72 2 36 ra 36 square root 2 right is 이제 square 봐. 지나 divide 봐. factor 하마 성어 명서 오다. factor 하마 쭈지라서 2디 명서 오. factor 하마 5잖아. 5도 2 니가 레리도 니가 명서 오다. 다 perfect cube divide 칠나. 아. divide to get perfect cubes 인다. Okay, cube. Okay. Find the cube root of the charge. And take it off. That was 72 now. 72 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Angichil tishigas on test got to let perfect cube let ba angichi ferry was some 2 some this. Okay, that thing multiplication that the division some da. The multiplication ferry was sum 세워라 sum니 데이터 sum 가서 삼았어요. 3 가서 삼았어. 3직 삼았어요. smallest number to be multiply 라 3직 되고 도스라. divide factor 직 sum sum이나 매개 성과 비라. 비가 돌아 대sum 삼았어. 대 factor 직 sum 민도. 미스 봐. 누구니 비우대. Just check this out. 봐 비우. 비가 돌아가 factor도 3 multiply by 3. factor 니가 비우래서. The least number which must divide 72 to get perfect cube. Then you go to that. Perfect cube so division goes factor. How much some means or that? Pension at the 5 in 5 did the means or multiply by 5. Then multiply by 5. Thus, the now 5 yomara means the money to Sushina. Okay, perfect cube so done. That conversion delta ni ta le lo sha de. 당연 example しましょう。だからキューブだ。To what? 80. ang siso. To get a perfect cube number. To get a perfect cube number, 80. That 80 prime factor. 80. Last number of 0 to 5 to let's say 5, 1 to 5. How many? 3, 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, and 2, 1. Okay. The 80, 80 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 시다 ngaji do jik ni som shi ngaji. Okay, perfect cube cell effect is some digs. You combine this two. Oh, dini nada. Divide them by 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10 is the smallest number. Which must divide 80 to get perfect cube. That dilla multiply lang getting da. Oh, which is to be multiplied to 80 to get perfect cube na. Ai? Dele. It is a D2 in the land to the second part. 80 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 keep them so. Okay. 다 5 찍으십니다. 5 좀 세어라. 5 같이 삼았어요. 5 된 2 삼았어. 5. 2 찍으십니다. 양아 2는 좀 세어라. 같이 삼았어요. 2 삼았어. 2 which is equal to 100. Okay, it's the smallest number to be multiplied to get perfect cube. 제가 군이 뭐 이어 독스지었죠. Multiply the divide. Okay, that is perfect cube so that by multiplying and dividing the smallest number. The perfect cube solutions now you have to learn how to find the cube root. Right? Cube root right? Cube root 봐. 안그 전부 되라. 안그 진주 찌부지 그냥 거리 됐다. 라. 안그 찌부지 거리 됐다더라. cube root. cube 셀나 안그 진주디 태모 숨 multiplication나 교답도 가라고 됐다. 라. 오케이. 자. 이 맞지면은 Okay, let's see. Find 3, 3, 7, 5. 당한 perfect cube 수단, perfect cube 수단의 perfect cube 레더 리미트 뭐 멘트직 자인 봐. prime factor 드신 자인 봐. cube 리셋는 반에 prime factor 드시면 더 비슷한 거다. 알지? 오케이. first take prime factor 드셔야 돼. 3, 3, 7, 5 prime factor 드셔야 돼. Find the cube root of 3, 3, 7, 5 less or evaluate 3, 3, 7, 5 raised to power 1 upon 3. Tanda chik padda. Dega tundi quality by rational exponent here. Didi got that or you can write as to the skew there. 3, 3, 7, 5. Those list. And you might listen to quality certainly. That now the cube root is certain meters of locked in my 10,000. Square root machine. Okay. Let's take $1 of prime factor of this sales. Then 5. Last digit 5 you don't have 5. 5 that you 33, 5, 6, 30. 3 left. 3 there. 37. 5. 7 35. Something, you write over here. 5, 5, 75. Again you don't have 5. 5, 6 draw each other, 5, 1 is a 5, 1 left, 17, 5, 2 is a 10, 2 left, 5, 5 is 25. So that's 30. 5, 6 is 30, 3 left, 3 is 37, 5, 7 is 35, 2 left, 5, right, 5, 1, 5, 2 is then 5, 3 is a 15. 5, 3 is a 15. Left. Again, 12, 5, 5. 5 they combine. 5, 2 is a 10. And then 3 left, 5, 7 is a 35. Okay, that's 3. 3, 9, 7, and 3, 3, and 3, 1, 3. Technically, find cube root. Fact, the grass no cotemosum go. Hanga 3 and 3 temosum. That cube root of 3, 3, 7, 5 is they're radical, you know. They're putting you there. That failed the sum machine. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The square root of failure we need to go. Cube root of failure was some. 5 sum the ne, you take 1 5 out. 3 sum the ne, you take 1 3 out. 15. The question the decimal point you mean this is find cube root of 3.375. Find the cube root of 3.375. This is the cube root of 3375. This decimal point the angle 1 2 3 you write 1 2 3. Zero sum the numerator for prime factors in cube root of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Your prime factor says so. Denominator prime factor must say 1000 means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. That factor is still sum there. 5 3 or 10 sum ne 10 ching ma 10. 15 upon 10. At 0 chik 1.5 this day. Well, lelo chat. I did link it na quite a lelo pair. Right. Tama correct here. Angi chimbu shoes in example, a lot of now there, the you mind 6 digit, 5 digit near. That now structure of the 4 digit number 2. Right. Okay. That guessing a prime factor is the color how we chose na. That's shortcut method. Yeah, shortcut method dollar, you think that's a thing out of level does. 제가 좋아해. 그냥 되게 유리해. 오케이. 다 단항에 치면은 3, 3, 7, 5. The prime factor remove 고도아. 딱 얘기 전화 땡니디 one digit end. 그 10 digit 된다. That is method perfect cube to the left, cube is the money. Number 2 put say number 6 digit cube perfect cube on set cube root, sorry. Okay. That was the cube root set na find cube root 3.3375. You know. Near the more unit digit that day. Unit digit 5 da. Okay. The first 9 digit number cube down unit digit 5 quarter. 5 data. 5 the curry is cube 5 down. So unit digit 5 na 1 digit 5 to. Then you know the square is was nikia cube was sumki. Sumki sa. Sumki ne that left over to the near. Left 3. Okay. The perfect cube value. Value 3 in your caught. Exact manner 3 in Yunga. Monkey in 3. 8 예쇼래 1 예쇼 드즈니 예쇼다. 드즈니는 그런 용어래. 이 용어라. 1 digit. Tens place or tens digit 1. Therefore, cube root of 3375 is equal to tens place near sha or unit place jealousy 15. There was a check it less of that. That is only getting the cube root of 1728 dustina. Unit digit 8 da. 8 how the dinner unit place 1 unit place 8 7 6 8 dedo. 8 the correct cube down 2 cube. Remember? 1 digit 2. The 10th digit. This one papi. Ina khala 1. 1 da 1 the exact chibo do. Chibo de 1 correct cube do. 1. The 10th digit 1. Therefore, this is equal to 10th place near unit place. Rap paper kekusho 거기서 깜니나 서다. 저렇게 매는 only. The example 심바싱에 치면은 okay. begin. Yeah. The last na. try 4096 try 줘라. 계속 try 좀 깜찍 고 계속 try 다. 근데 깜찍 고하면도 지 잡으면도 ones place the 10th place. 신이 되면 특다가. 오케이. 달래서 이게 그지. 디도민다. 유니티 지거든. 6 유니티 거든. 6 유니티 되도. 디 거리 큐브도. 4. 제 one digit. one digit or one's place. 직내라 가려고 그래. 4레고 두었라. 다 안기승 파피스. 비나 나 갈라 돼. 4 하고 두었어. that 10th place 다 sometimes. 4 린바 4 니쇼 들리냐면 exact 링미드나 들리 니쇼 제 융아. 하도 1 cube 1 2 cube 8 다 니쇼도 8 망다서 4 into 1, so you take 1. Therefore, square root of this is equal to 14. Có lẽ lâu đó. Tất nhiên ăn ngã đó. This is the cube root of this. Pi in place. Anh có lẽ lâu chắc. Nghe thằng bố đó, number đi unit place ta. Unit place 9 na, first 9 natural number then unit place 9 khawat huए था. और 9 ऐसे दी खरी cube दे. और दी unit place ला पाप. तो दिने number sum पा तंग. थमा खाला से. और थमा ला क्यों दी? और दी वेली चिपा क्यों तो उच चला. चिपा ये ना चिपा. मैंने दिले तेज न्यूआ क्यों करते. और दी number खरी cube दे. और number दी 10th place चाहते. और 10th place ता unit place दी सही दिन वापस दा. ला सार. सी क्यों कुछ चाह मार. Right? Okay, 1st place. The 9 is the 9 covered. 9 is the 9 correct cube. 9 key. In place 9. The 10th place here number some pills. Number some power go there. On the Lamahado. Okay, 24. 24 the value de dinner value new shock out 1 8 27 or 8 27 leader de 24 the tibarda 27 mangta sa 24 lag ba ota khari ki ro 8 khari cube da 2 cube da 10th place the 2 shots then number do is equal to 10th place ni sha unit digit ya sha 29 매직 그렇지. 앙스 매직 특신다. 앙스 때 레라고 매직 잘. 앙이 전부 되는데. 당연히 last number 측도. 1 2 1 6 7 this. 딱 여기 있다. 1's place. 1's place 가서 돼. 방법. 유닛 7다. 니는 7 가도. 되다. 7 가리키브도. 3. 1's place 3 shots. Number some patterns. 12 liters. Okay. 12 how you show this? 12 8 da 7 parts. In 12 the 27 new adwa 8 mangadwa. That 8 the kid order. The number given number the very exact room there it is new kid order. 12 the 8 new order and 8 the curry cube the 2 those. The 10th place 2 shots. Tana Halide. 10th place near che in a place 23 liters. I'll get the check. 23 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 23. 1 2 1 6 7 right minta. Okay. They was start. Gata ne the shaggy topic cube and cube root. Jana the lot to my Nimanga school, Nimas school topic. I put away any when you may some saru. There are. Okay. I didn't know la odd number tomato, then they are decision there. Shoo catch you made somebody at dessert pavage, topic in the main team day, on attending it took smart to be sure. And number language, square and square wishes na, and the level of pay. That dinner will never so the carna, prime factors matter. Prime factors here wishing minna. Okay, please read class 6 textbook. Take class 6 textbook, then playing with number din alola and prime factors kind of. Tadu class 6 wishing with something. Class 5 ta camera class nanga ta da nanga na le the topic there je dine ta gi te ya to ri sta le la yo re sam do la so ani ta ga sha gi yin a tin da je ma je yong